Welcome back to Cooking and Crafting with Laura Ingalls Wilder. Today we are going to be making hasty pudding, or in the South as we call it, grits. The difference between grits and hasty pudding is we cook grits in water, milk, and butter, but we cook hasty pudding in water. Your ingredients are going to be water, salt, maple syrup, and stone ground grits. If you don't live in the South and you can't find stone ground grits, you can just use this. And you can find these at any grocery store. These grits that we're using today are from a local Mill 70 farm. The big difference between the grits that we're using today and these is that these take 5 minutes and these take half an hour, but these taste better. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 4 cups of water. You're going to add it into a pan. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to bring that to a boil. While you're waiting for your water to boil, we're going to put 1 cup of grits into a small bowl. And now my water is boiling. So I'm going to start whisking it and slowly adding in my grits. This prevents the clumps. Now that we've incorporated all of our grits, we're going to turn it down to low. Your grits are going to cook between 5 minutes to an hour, depending on the different kinds. Check your package. And you can't just leave your grits because we don't want any scorches or clumps, so stir it occasionally. Our hasty pudding has been cooking for about 20 minutes and it looks like this. And we tasted it and it's not crunchy, it's mushy. So it's done. You can enjoy it just like this and putting maple syrup on top. Or you can put it into a pan, let it sit overnight, and you can make fried cornmeal mush, which we will show you how to do in another video. This is really good. It tastes like grits and maple syrup. Don't forget to subscribe and share and watch more videos.